little boosters for my daughter's truck, you know, little Black & Decker job at Walmart. So I took it out of the truck, put it on the battery of the engine, cranked over that Suzuki. So we were able to go run around. We could never stop the boat. It would have stopped. But hey, I'm not going to ruin the day. So you know, we did whatever we wanted to do. So then we got to thinking, we're like, wait a minute. I wouldn't have the booster, or you know, I would have had this thing flopping around. So we said, how do we take that same idea of being able to start your engine, but just build it into the electrical system of the boat, the RV, truck, whatever it is, so it's always there. So that's how this little guy came about. And we're both in the marine world and the automotive world. So just a little thing. Ranger boats, put them on all the boats. They're bass boats, they're flats boats. I think some people will say, well, wow, why do they need that if, they got 3 batteries up forward, 3 12-volt batteries running a 36-volt trolling motor, and then they got their house bank. Well, what they do, they don't want to put in another battery for weight. So all you do, and how this works, is you run one post goes to your main starting battery, another post goes to some secondary source. So, if you got a boat, you got another battery, great. You hook it up there, then you got a little post for ground and one for a remote. So what that does, it just sits there. It always just sits there. But if you ever go to crank your starting engine over and the battery is depleted, a depleted battery shows a very sharp voltage drop. So a little microprocessor in here sees the voltage drop, opens the relays, throws the energy from the other source, combines it, and automatically starts the engine. And then what's slick is after the engine starts, then the alternator kicks in, and the main battery that was down takes priority. It gets charged up, and when that's topped off, then it throws the charge to the secondary battery, of where that extra reserve energy had to come from to start it. So it's great. I don't know if you ever remote here or not, but also we have a remote for this thing that it's a very bright red light that had a little bezel that you can put in dash, whether it's your car dashboard or your boat. And what that does is that will come on if this ever had to be activated. Because if you didn't have the remote, you don't need it. But if you didn't have it, you would never know what started your engine, because it's it's totally seamless. It's not like jumper cables where you hear that hesitation, boom, and then it starts. No, your engine just starts. And it's rated at 280 amps. You can't do huge 18-wheelers, but you can do big RV engines. You could do, we had a big F-250 diesel Ford truck. It was slap, you slap in a bad battery, turn on the lights, starts dimming down. We just got a small little motorcycle battery, or maybe it was a little jet ski battery from West Marine. Click, 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 throw the lead over to that little guy, boom, starts up the engine.